Hey man, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, and welcome back to another video. So today's video has been a long awaited video, man. Like, this really could have been my first video, but I wanted to hold off on it for the reason that I wanted to, make a few other videos before, I get this one rolling. But today's video is going to be a men's curly hair tutorial, but it's not going to be like any one of those that y'all seen on YouTube. I'm talking about those videos they're going to have you spending $30, $40, $50 on some Cantu shea butter products just for it not to work and your hair to be looking white covered in products. And I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Today's video is going to be something that's really going to work for you, and I guarantee y'all, if y'all watch this whole entire video and you follow these steps, you're going to get yourself right. Your hair gonna be curly. As you can see right now, my hair kind of rough. My God. Like, it's looking pretty rough right now. Alright, I'm basically gonna be showing you guys, having you guys see all the steps that I use. I mean, it's about time I made this video, because whenever I was in high school, if y'all did not know, I'm about to be a sophomore. People have been asking me what I've been using in my hair since my sophomore year. People done asked me if I use Jerry curl, S curl, twist outs, braid outs, perms, and anything you could think of. They probably went ahead and asked me. I remember females back in high school was telling me my hair was fake. Girl, we both know if we both go in water, my hair coming out the same, but for you, oh my God. Ain't no shade though, no shade though. But yeah, and this video is pretty simple. Like, there's literally 3 steps to this. And something I need to tell y'all, it's not about the product that you use, okay? It doesn't matter what product that you use. I'm gonna put my preferred products down below in the link so you guys go ahead and buy it. But it's mainly about the technique. It's about how you apply the product. And that's what a lot of people don't tell you when they're making these curly hair videos. They really have you thinking that if you buy these products, it's automatically gonna lead to curly hair, but that's not true, man. And I'm telling you guys, I've tried. Every single video, every single curling video, every single type of technique, I've tried. So I'm telling you guys, my steps, y'all, it's gonna take y'all for a turn, because y'all wanna be like, really? But yes, really. Well, let's get this video rolling, man. I ain't finna waste no more time. Let's get this going. Alright, so before I have any one of y'all saying, oh, I got naturally curly hair, look, what I'm finna do, got my spray bottle and I got my pick. What I'm about to do, I'm gonna pick out my hair and I'm gonna literally get my hair in like the roughest state so I can show you guys that this really works, okay?
You know what you did, Shane?
Oh my God!
I had to make the little switcheroo. I'm gonna let y'all see my hair right now. So that's the full little scope of my hair. So right now, no one can say, oh, your hair was curly, whatever. That's how a lot of y'all, that's how a lot of people's hair is looking. A lot of people wear their hair in the fro. And now it's time to really put this to work. Time to reveal the products that I'm using, okay? And look, I know, y'all finna be like, huh? You using these? But look, man, I would not show these products if I did not think they worked. Matter of fact, like, I wouldn't even make this video with these products if they didn't have results. I've been using these products the past 4 years. You know what I'm saying? Basically more than that, like half of my life, so close to 9 years, so it works. So the first step of all this, okay, is your products. Things that you're gonna need. First, you're gonna need little spray bottle. Now time for your conditioner and your shampoo. Y'all see this? That's right. We're using Pantene. Alright. The shampoo is not too important because we're not going to be using this in the video. That's just for you to enhance your curls even more. But the main product, this is your bread and butter. I put that on my life, man. This is your bread and butter. If you want curly hair, you have to go and purchase this product, okay? That's right. Pantene Curl, what do you say? It's Curl Perfection Conditioner. And I'm telling you, this will get you right. Now for the second step, which is really the most important step, okay? Is the technique that you use when you apply the product. Because whether you choose to go with any one of these two, or if you choose to go with the shea butter products or Cantu, it really doesn't matter too much. What mainly matters is how you apply the product. And no video on YouTube is going to show you how to apply it correctly, because most of the people that make these videos, they already have naturally curly hair. See a lot of mixed guys that already have curly hair. They make this type of video and it's like, man, like, yo, curls I can't get, but I still want to get some type of curls. I'm about to show y'all, alright? Y'all take a good look at your hands. You know what I'm saying? You got two hands? Alright, perfect. Now crunch it. You see that? You see that? Like, it's like you grabbing something, you feel me? Like a bear or something, like, alright. Forget that. Just like you grabbing something, okay? And now go, move your hand in like a clockwise motion. See that? You got two hands, right? You gotta do that on the front, and you gotta do it in the back. The same clockwise motion, okay? That's basically what you need to do. And I know what you're thinking, huh? Because a lot of people that you see on YouTube when they apply the product, they're flicking their hair front and back. Like, what is that doing? That's not doing anything. You're not using the product to activate your curls. So, I'm telling you, just grab your hands like you're grabbing anything. It's like you're grabbing some and just go like this. Go straight like that. That's literally all you gotta do. But that second step, I'm telling you, if you don't believe me, then watch. Quick little thing, remember, we only need this product right here, okay? This is the product that we will be applying. This is for continuous growth and maintenance of curls, like of your curls.
DJ Keyway, you're a genius.
Alright, y'all, so for the next step, what you're gonna need to do is pretty simple. I usually do this step while I'm in the shower. So after I apply it, that's the first thing that I do. Then I'll go ahead and rinse off my body, and then come at the end of my shower, I usually rinse off my hair. And whenever you rinse off your hair, do the same motion. The same motion when you rinse it off. So approximately, if you're not trying to get in the shower and do all that, wait about 5 minutes after you go and apply the product, and then go ahead and rinse it out. So this part I'm not really gonna show y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rinse out my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys after basically how the curls are looking, how they form. And y'all remember, I picked out my hair fully. We're gonna see what it looks like.
that keyway. You're a genius.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. Let you guys kind of see. Alright, so I know you guys, y'all here for that part 2. Y'all want to know the secrets to everything. Pretty simple. It's literally one step. There's one thing that I use to go ahead and I control my shrinkage, and I apply it when my hair is fairly damp. Okay, this product works amazing because for whenever you have kinky like hair like this, like kinky type hair, like as y'all can see, like my hair is pretty long. Like if I pull it down, like it stretches pretty far, as y'all can see. It goes basically to my lips. So one way I go ahead and I reduce it to a pretty good amount, or reduce the shrinkage, I use this. It's the Pantene, basically their curling gel. So basically it's gonna reduce the shrinkage that you have, and it's still gonna go ahead and hold your hair pretty good. And on top of that, it loosens up the curls. Looks a whole lot better after I apply this. All right, so let's get started. Alright, and the final thing that I do after I go and apply this, remember you have to apply this product like as soon as your hair kind of like it's damp. It's not dripping wet like how it is out the shower. It's fairly damp, and after that, just go ahead, grab your pick, and just kind of pick it up to add a little bit of volume so that it could hold. The whole point of the gel, so it'll hold your curl. So you want to go and expand it. Finish, and this is the finished product. This is what my hair is looking like. Like I said, for you to go ahead and get yourself some curls, it's really not all that hard. These videos on YouTube, they make you think that you need tons of products, really expensive products. Go ahead. Get your curls right, but in reality, you can go and get you some Pantene, man. I wouldn't be using this product if I did not feel like it worked how it's working now. As you can see, my hair is fairly damp. Once it dries, it's gonna basically look the same. So I'm gonna basically leave it at this point. I'm gonna have a little bit of drip, you know what I'm saying? I let my hair air dry, okay? And I say that you guys should do that as well, because if you use a towel and you're rubbing it in your hair, it's obviously just gonna mess up the curl pattern. So please, I beg, do not do that. It's not gonna help you at all. Just go ahead, let the air dry. Shake your hair as I do, and it's gonna be fine as soon as it dries. The link to the products will be down below. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and use that link. Go ahead and just order it. Go ahead, order it, try it out, and use the technique. Because the one key that no other YouTube video has whenever they're showing their curly hair routine, they don't show you how you should really be applying it. Because my hair, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, but this is naturally your hair type. Like, I have a naturally curly hair type, but I did not like I had to train my hair to like be this way to time. So it's like the more you do this, the better you will be. Buy the shampoo, buy the conditioner. I apply the shampoo and conditioner every day. People say that's not smart, but what's really not smart is it's only applying shampoo. Shampoo strips nutrients from your hair, like dirt and nutrients. It strips it out. The conditioner restores, you know, the nutrients, things that your hair needs to be healthy. So you guys, make sure you go ahead and use these products. Follow these 3 steps: your products, technique, and maintenance. The maintenance is basically how to reduce your shrinkage and the final product of your hair. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the part 2. I know it's not too long, which is why I just made it an extension, and I'll let y'all know the timestamp in the beginning. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. 9.